Hi guys, so another first for Safari Centre Cape Town, and actually another first for Cape Town. We have just received the brand new drawer fridges from Nationaluna. There are two sizes to choose from. They've got a 16 litre and they've got a 30 litre. These units are 12 volt only, but you can buy a little separate power supply so that you can plug the cable into the power supply and convert it to 220 volt should you want to. Very cool little units. They're obviously made for cool drinks, your daily beverages, that type of thing. The thing to note obviously about drawer freezers or fridges, that's not freezers, it's fridges, is that not like a conventional camping fridge where you lift the lid and the cold air stays inside. With these units, obviously the cold air falls out when you open the drawer. So they normally are a little bit more heavier on power just because they need to then obviously recool themselves down. So come have a look. This is the inside of the 16 litre. And this is the 30 litre. Both of them come with these little dividers that you can insert. It's got these little tabs so that when you put something in it, it doesn't fall around all over the show, and you can obviously adjust them and put them where you need them. And guys, obviously, as you can see, just above the lid, that's where all your setting and on and off and obviously display of the temperature happens. The workings of it is at the back, so if you do build them into a drawer or you build them into a box, just make sure that you've got adequate breathing happening at the back, because the better they breathe, obviously the better they work. But please come down to Safari Centre, have a look at them. They're very tiny. They will fit into caravans, motorhomes, drawer systems. I mean, the use of them are limitless. So come have a look.